Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. Today I want to talk to you about the Freud Heavy Duty Rib Blade, available in a thin and thick stock blade with sizes of 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16 inches. This blade has an extra large flat tooth design for fast rips in soft and hard woods, leaving you with a smooth finish without the need of jointing or sanding. It comes with a full kerf and a non-stick perma-shield coating and Freud's anti-vibration technology to stabilize the blade for quieter, smoother cuts and extended blade life, providing a smooth, fast, workable finish. Freud is a leading manufacturer of industrial and specialty saw blades, and Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud products. And remember to log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.